Alright, so today is a video about the Mossberg Maverick 88, model 88, which is what I have right here. I just bought it. So far so good. I haven't got to shoot it yet, but I did figure something out. I got it and it was only holding a total of 3 rounds, and I'll show you that, which is, I thought was weird for a shotgun. One, two. That's all it will hold. Shoot that right here. Try to put the third one in. Let it go in. Three. That's all it was holding. But I did just figure something out. So that's what this video is today, is to show you how if you buy one of these and it's only holding 3, how to fix that. This nut here, you're going to remove that. Just be able to twist it off. If you need a pair of pliers, make sure you put a t-shirt or like a towel or something over it to make sure you don't damage that. And then the barrel's going to come right off. You know, you should have a wooden dowel in here. And that's going to block your ammo capacity in your tube. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to remove that. So we're going to remove that, turn it upside down, kind of tap on it. Oh, mine apparently had 2 pencils in it. That's good news, I suppose. Hopefully it fires when I actually go to shoot it. So now that your wooden dowel's removed, you don't need to put it back in. Put the barrel back in, just like so. Make sure you get it all lined up. You're taking your screw your nut back in. Oh, as soon as I get the barrel lined up, I didn't have problems with this earlier. Alright, barrel's back in. And you're going to screw the nut down. Like so. I'm just going to go ahead and screw that in. Alright. Let's go ahead and feed one in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Will it hold another one? I doubt it. Let's put a shot. It will not. So there it is. That's how you make your Mossberg Maverick 88 hold 6 shots instead of 3.